In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to duplicate a database in Notion. If you want to reuse the structure of a database without rebuilding everything from scratch, duplicating it is a really useful option. Notion lets you make a copy of a database either with all of its existing entries included, or as a clean version with the same setup but no content inside. The process is slightly different depending on whether your database is embedded on a page or opened as a full-page database. So I'll walk you through both. If your database is a block inside a page, start by moving your cursor over the database block. As you hover, look to the left side of that block, and you'll see the 6-dot handle appear. This handle is what gives you access to more actions for that block. Click the 6-dot handle to open the block menu. From that menu, select Duplicate. Once you do that, Notion will ask how you want to duplicate the database. You'll usually see the choice to duplicate it with content or duplicate it without content. If you choose to duplicate with content, the new database will include all the current entries, which is helpful if you want an exact working copy. If you choose duplicate without content, Notion will copy the database structure, including its properties and layout, but leave out the existing items. That option is great if you want a fresh template to start from. Now, if you are working with a full-page database, the steps are a little different. Open the database as a full page first, so you are viewing it on its own. Then go to the top right corner of the page and click the 3-dot icon to open the Page Options menu. In that drop-down list, select Duplicate. Just like with an embedded database, you'll then choose whether you want to include the data entries or leave them out. Including the data creates a full copy of the database exactly as it is. Omitting the data keeps the structure while giving you an empty version to work with. As a quick tip before choosing between those two options, think about whether you need the records themselves or just the database framework. That can save you time and help keep your workspace organized, and that's all it takes to duplicate a database in Notion. Once you've done it a couple of times, it becomes a very fast way to create backups, test new layouts, or reuse a setup for a different project.